I'm really excited to share our newest project. It's a custom home build here in Point Loma, a big renovation, and I wanted to launch this series so that you guys could follow along and see how we go about it, some of the challenges that we're bound to face. It's probably, again, our most ambitious project yet. So let me give you a quick overview of what we're going to be doing on this project and what our plans are for it. Just to give you a quick overview of what we're doing, we've got a 1924 Spanish home that's existing. It's got a lot of really cool original details like hardwood flooring. It's got some really nice Spanish architecture. But what happened on this house is over the years, there have been a lot of really funky additions done. So what we're going to be doing is taking it back to the original line. That means demoing some of the rooms here that were added on to the front. There's also an addition on the back. We're going to scrape that completely, an old garage and a carport that was there, rebuild all of that into a modern new family and kitchen and breakfast nook area. And then once we get that going, stack a whole new second story, 1,200 square feet that's going to have the bedrooms, laundry, and loft area. So walking into the house, the first thing that we've got is this original living room. It's got some really cool details that we want to preserve. First of all, it's got, I think, the original hardwood flooring that's got some really cool designs on it. We have the original fireplace, and what I really want to make sure we don't mess up is this original barrel ceiling. So we've got 11 feet in height here. So when we stack the second story, we've got a really difficult design challenge to stack the entire second story over the 11 feet so that we don't have to come down on this area. All right, from the living room area, we've got an attached dining room. This is another original part of the house, which I really like. Like I mentioned on the exterior, we're gonna demo an addition that's in front of it. So we're gonna be putting a whole new bank of windows across this one. It's gonna let in a whole bunch of new light. And I really wanna see these coved ceiling details really pop. We're gonna preserve the hardwood flooring in here. And I think we're just gonna have a really interesting and unique dining room area that's gonna be specific to this house, this property. Now walking through from here, we've got some of the weird additions that you're gonna see. And this is what we're just gonna completely demo. This kitchen was remodeled probably 20, 30 years ago. This section of the house was built probably in the 50s. So it turns into a little bit of a maze, and that's one of the things that we want to work on. They added a breakfast nook over here. We have another doorway over here that comes in from the dining area. So there's not a whole lot that we can do to salvage it. So what we want to do is just pretty much scrape this completely. We're going to take it down to the foundation and reimagine the layout. So where I'm standing right now is going to be a new breakfast nook. The new kitchen is going to go over there. That wall will completely go. Behind it is a bedroom. That bedroom will be the new kitchen, bedroom and bath area. Walking over here, now you can see where they've added on. You got to walk down some steps and go into this family room addition that doesn't really work. It's not that functional for what we want to do. So it's just going to have to go completely. Again, it's got kind of that mazy feel. A lot of these older houses, especially from the 1920s, were built very compartmentalized. We want to preserve what I think is really cool about the house and then also do something really modern. So we're actually starting demo tomorrow. It's going to be a really interesting build. And actually in this neighborhood, we have a lot of historic properties, really interesting homes. So you don't see a lot that are going to be renovated to this level and such an ambitious build. There's going to be ups and downs on this thing. So I want to invite you guys to subscribe to our channel, join us on this journey, and I want to show you a really awesome and great finished product when we finally get this thing done.